Hello guys, today I'll show you how to scan file, scan picture or scan document by using cam scanner, so you can use it at home without going to the store, without going to the shop for ask somebody to scan for you. You can download this app in Play Store, App Store. Example, you go to the Play Store. This is my Play Store. So type the word cam scanner like this at the top. Cam scanner here. Just click on it. So I downloaded it. I download already. It's come up open here. But if you not download, you can click install for install it in your phone. So I open it. Yeah, so we have many tools here, so I wanna take picture and scan it into PDF. So just click here, camera here. So what type of your document? It can be document, it can be ID card, it can be a quick book, it can be book, it can be document, it can be photograph to word, text, ID, picture, a lot. But for me, document here, document. So just take picture. This is my certificate. So take the picture and click wait, click here. Click picture. So you can rotate it here. Wait, I finding here. Yeah, you can rotate it left, right, anything you want, and you can resize this. You want resize like this, or like this. You can resize it. After that, click next here. Click next here, and here you can many things here. You can no shadow, you can original here, enlightened, magic color, and grayscale, BW, eco. So it's depending which one you want. I want to be no shadow here, no shadow, and you can adjust brightness. Click, and you click here. So this is picture. Save it to PDF here. Click here, PDF. So this is the file PDF. You click share here, and you want to save it to local in the phone here. So it's already. Just go back and find the file. This is my file here. So local, download, came here. Here the PDF, yeah. Click on it. Open. Yes, this is the PDF. Yes, very nice. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.